Hey guys, welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. Alright, so now let's get started. In this video, we're going to see a simple way to make a face mask. So guys, the face mask is done. So please do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited Shades of Innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.